Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's a March favorites video. I feel like I haven't done this type of video in like at least 6 months. This month I have a variety of things. Like I have some fashion from Walmart. I have some Amazon things. It does range from like fashion, jewelry. Just got some really good pieces this month that I just want to share with you guys. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First off are these earrings. I know I've talked about these earrings, but it is for a good reason. These are by Time and True. They're only $3.88. Let me show you guys a close-up so you can see how like beautiful they are. They look like real pearls, but they're only $3.88, and they're so comfortable, and they don't hurt my ears. They don't make them itch. They're really lightweight. You can't feel that they're on, and they are hypoallergenic, so it doesn't make your ears itch or hurt. So that's the reason why I absolutely love these earrings. And then for the necklace that I'm wearing, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me wear this necklace as well. It is my favorite everyday necklace for now. I just love it so much. This is by Temu, and it is stainless steel necklace with a letter. I picked the letter F for my name, and it does have the letter F on both sides, so even if it flips over, you won't see the back side. And it is stainless steel, and so far it has not tarnished on me, which is a big deal because this is $2, but I was gonna get one like this on Amazon, and it was like $15 or $20. Guys, Temu is $2. You cannot beat it, and I really love it because this, you can also use it as a layering piece, which I appreciate. The top I'm wearing, guys, it is one of my favorites as well. It comes in a 2-pack from Walmart. It is $10 for a 2-pack of these shirts by Time and True. This 2-pack was $22, but it is on sale right now for $10. So basically $5 a piece. And one thing I love about these shirts is that they are like buttery soft t-shirts. It's not like your regular shirt. It's like that really extra buttery soft shirt that I absolutely love, and I absolutely recommend guys try them. You will thank me. They do come, like I got this one with the black, and then the other one is kind of like a stripe red and pink, like different stripe colors, but they do have different color variations, so just keep that in mind. And then on to this sweatshirt right here. Guys, I am in love with this sweatshirt. This is by Walmart. It is by No Boundaries, and I purposely got it in an extra large because with sweatshirts like this, I like them to be oversized. I just love that look because I like to pair this with like some leggings and some sneakers, or you can wear it with some shorts and kind of do a front tuck. I absolutely love this one. It is so lightweight but so nice and comfortable. It's not itchy or scratchy. Honestly, I would even sleep in this. Like, I don't even care, but you could definitely even wear this to run errands, just have like a nice casual day. If you're going to a car show, you guys need to get this one. This one is so cool. It does say Hot Rod right here, and then at the bottom it says Speed Club. It does have these cars right here. It is the most coolest thing in the world, and I am here for it. Highly recommend this. They do have them in 3 other shades and print, but this one was the only one that I loved. When it comes to shoes, these are my favorite shoes from Walmart. So these are the sneakers by Time and True, and it does have the memory foam right here, and I absolutely love this. These go very nicely together. I love sneakers, guys. I'm a mom, so my 4-year-old like runs around like a crazy child a lot of times. She is full of energy. So even though I would love to wear heels, for now I'm in like my sneaker era where I will wear sneakers or flats or whatever so I can run. Pretty much. I really love these. I like the fact that it's a platform. I love the shades that they added in here with this matte gray, the black, and the cream color. It is absolutely beautiful. I like the fact that at the bottom it is black. It does give you like a look for less. It is such a beautiful shoe, and it's only $22.98. Highly recommend this one. I love these shoes. These are one of my favorite from Walmart as well. These are called the Clogs, and they are a look for less by Birkenstock has ones like these that are like $200. These are only $19.98. The only thing I would recommend is size up on these. Fit perfectly, and they look literally like identical. The only difference is Birkenstock will say right here that is Birkenstock, and obviously right here it says it too. These are a look for less. If you want to look for less, you guys need to get these. These are so comfortable and so nice. It has the memory foam, and it goes with so many outfits. I know these are one of those shoes that, you know, you'd be like, oh my gosh, they're so ugly, but it's one of those shoes that I like. It's so weird, right? Because before, when I was way younger, I would never wear these. Now it's like yes, I will wear them. They are so, so good. Moving on to some jewelry that I got from Amazon that I am loving. These, oh my gosh, these are a look for less earrings. They are the big ones. So I do have the small ones I'm going to show you as well, but I got these ones. Look how big they are, guys. These are a look for less. If you know, you know. You guys know, I'm pretty sure you guys know, because these have been very popular. I know a lot of people have shown these ones in the smaller size by Amazon, but these are the actual size as the look for less, and they are so big, but they're very lightweight. That's the one thing I really love about them, is that they're lightweight. They're really great quality. I like actually the post as well. Do you see that? It has like the gold right here, and then it's clear and it's really comfortable on. Guys, get these, get these, get these. I absolutely love them. They're like so chic. Let me put them on. Look at this, guys. Is that not gorgeous? It is so pretty. These are really great quality, really nice. Moving on to another pair of earrings that I highly recommend. All of them are about $12, the most like $15. You guys know with Amazon they kind of fluctuate in price, but that's kind of like the price range of all the jewelry that I'm going to show you right now. These are the next ones. I've been really wanting some really beautiful hoop earrings like this. These are gold hoop earrings with like rhinestones. They are so darn pretty, very dressy, and I just thought these were really beautiful. So they're very comfortable, very lightweight as well, so you don't have to worry about it hurting your ears or it being like too heavy. Hands down, one of my favorites, guys. If you are a hoop lover like me, you guys gotta get these. I highly recommend them. They're just so gorgeous. These are the smaller earrings, the ones that I just showed you. But these are like the smaller size, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick update. I don't know if you guys watch my Shein jewelry haul, but I did a Shein jewelry haul and I showed these earrings, but those tarnished on me. I know I got a comment from one of you guys saying that you guys purchased that and it tarnished on you, and then you purchased the one from Amazon and it didn't tarnish on you. So the same thing happened to me. I got the one from Shein that was like, I think $2 or $3, and it tarnished on me literally after the first or second use. And I was very disappointed, because usually with Shein jewelry, they don't tarnish on me, at least the ones that I get, because I do keep them in like my jewelry organizer. So it was not good, but then I got these, and these are amazing. They are so cute. They're like the more miniature size. So if you don't want the bigger ones, they do have like the smaller size as well, and they also have it in the silver. But I just thought these were adorable. They are so darn cute. So oh my gosh, and these are popular for a good reason. I know these went viral and they're like popular everywhere. You see them pretty much on every Amazon video, but it is for a good reason. They're really, really nice. Next ones that I was so excited to get are these right here. These are the pearl hoop earrings. They're really beautiful, like dainty, gorgeous hoop earrings. Do you see that? And they're just like really nice touch, very elegant, and really really feminine, and they're very lightweight, guys. Like, you cannot feel these on your ears. They're really comfortable to wear, and I absolutely love them. I highly recommend them, guys. They are hands down one of my favorites as well, and I think it's perfect if you want to get some updated jewelry for your spring collection. This, guys, is a must-have. You guys need to get it. It also has this, so all you gotta do is press print. So I'm pressing print right here, you see, and then you press, I'm gonna show you guys because it's gonna come out real quick. So you press print, and then it prints out. It prints out so fast. You see that? And then to cut it, it has this cutter right here. You just, and it comes out like so. To stick it, they have like two little in the middle right here that's already split. You just take this off, and then take this off, and you can stick it wherever you want. I just want to show you guys that it's that simple. You can choose different fonts for different things. You can even use, like I said, for your pantry to label your things. For your drawer, you want to label your things, like, you know, socks and pants and all that stuff. You can do that. It's just so much you can do with it. I just absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it. This is only like $30. I've seen other ones that are like $50, but this one I do think is really affordable, and I like the fact that You get different fonts for different things. You could do so much with it. This is so good, and it already has like the sticker paper inside, so you don't have to worry about that. That is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my March favorites. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite item, and if you're gonna pick up anything, I would really like to hear from you. Say hi if you like, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.